Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,108 level. We are currently ranked at 202 with a market cap of about $237 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $13.58 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right. So in the last 1 week, we are down 5%, and in the last 24 hours we are up 1.5%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. Right, so we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame. Binance is steady to source, and so right here for YFI, as you can see, the moment we lost the bull market EMA, we were seeing expect to see prices at that 7,000 to $7,400 level. We saw that push to the upside, saw this sort of massive bounce, and we have seen this sort of second push into this level. Currently we are favoring another bounce. We could see a bounce right here into that bull market EMA region, right into that 7,800 to 7,900 dollars level. So that could be a massive push for YFI of about 13%, right? And one of the reasons we are bullish is basically we are seeing massive bullish divergences coming in right here for YFI. As you can see, massive buy volumes are coming in for YFI. So we are in favor of the bounce. As you can see, we have been talking about selling pressures coming in right here for YFI, but currently we are seeing massive buy volumes coming in as the bears get exhausted, right? So the bears are exhausted from selling. We are still seeing massive buy volumes coming in, and that means YFI could be in for that bounce, targeting the $7,951 level right here for YFI, right? So that is the update right here for YFI. We could see this sort of massive bounce to the upside right here for YFI in the next few days. And so if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.